Have you ever looked up at the night sky, awestruck by the sheer number of stars? It's a sight that has captivated humanity for millennia. As children, we're told we can wish upon a star, each twinkling point of light representing a dream waiting to be fulfilled. We imagine millions upon millions of stars, stretching out into the vast expanse of the universe. But what if I told you that most of us have never truly seen the night sky in all its glory? What if the dazzling display of stars we perceive is but a mere fraction of what's truly out there? The truth is, the number of stars visible to the naked eye is far less than many believe. The shimmering tapestry of the cosmos, though seemingly infinite, is veiled by a combination of factors, both natural and human-made. Join me as we delve into the science of stargazing, debunking myths, and uncovering the shocking truth about how many stars we can really see. Contrary to popular belief, we can't see millions of stars with the naked eye. In reality, the number is far smaller. On a clear night, far from city lights, the average person can see about 5,000 stars. This may sound like a lot, but remember, we're talking about the entire celestial sphere. From any single location on Earth, we can only see about half of that, roughly 2,500 stars at any given time. Our view is further limited by the horizon. Just like objects on Earth disappear from view as they go over the curve of our planet, stars dip below the horizon as the Earth rotates. This means our view of the night sky is constantly changing, with different stars becoming visible as others set. Factors like atmospheric conditions, moonlight, and even the physiological limitations of our own eyes all play a role in how many stars we can see. One of the biggest obstacles to stargazing in the modern world is light pollution. The artificial glow from streetlights, buildings, and vehicles scatters in the atmosphere, creating a luminous haze that obscures all but the brightest stars. For those living in urban areas, light pollution has dramatically reduced the number of visible stars. While someone in a remote desert might see thousands of stars, a city dweller might only see a few dozen. In fact, it's estimated that 80% of Americans can no longer see the Milky Way, our own galaxy, due to light pollution. This loss of darkness has far-reaching consequences. It disrupts the natural rhythms of wildlife, wastes energy, and robs us of our connection to the cosmos. The night sky, once a source of wonder and inspiration, has become largely invisible to a significant portion of the world's population. Section 4. Seeking Sanctuary, Oases of Darkness. Fortunately, there are still places where the night sky can be experienced in its full splendor. These dark sky preserves are areas that have taken steps to minimize light pollution, preserving the pristine darkness needed for optimal stargazing. In the United States, some of the best stargazing locations include Death Valley National Park, California. Boasting some of the darkest skies in the country, Death Valley offers unparalleled views of the Milky Way. Big Bend National Park, Texas. Situated far from major cities, Big Bend provides a stunning backdrop for celestial observation. Cherry Springs State Park, Pennsylvania. Recognized as a Gold-tier international dark sky park, Cherry Springs is renowned for its exceptional stargazing conditions. Mauna Kea Observatories, Hawaii. Home to some of the world's most powerful telescopes, Mauna Kea offers breathtaking views of the cosmos from its high-altitude location. Visiting one of these dark sky sanctuaries allows us to reconnect with the awe-inspiring beauty of the night sky as our ancestors once did. Section 5. The Eye's Limitations, a Gateway to Awe. While light pollution plays a significant role in limiting our view of the stars, our own biology also presents some constraints. The human eye, while a marvel of evolution, has its limitations when it comes to perceiving faint objects like distant stars. One key factor is the process of dark adaptation. Our eyes take time to adjust to low light conditions. When we step outside from a brightly lit room, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes for our pupils to fully dilate and for our eyes to become more sensitive to faint light. Furthermore, the central part of our retina, called the fovea, is responsible for sharp, detailed vision, but is not as sensitive to dim light. The peripheral areas of our retina are more sensitive to light, which is why we sometimes notice things out of the corner of our eye. Section 6. Unlocking the Night Secrets, Tips for Stargazing. So how can we make the most of our stargazing experience? Here are a few tips. Find a dark location. Get away from city lights and seek out a location with minimal light pollution. Allow your eyes to adapt. Give your eyes at least 30 minutes to adjust to the darkness before you start stargazing. Use averted vision. Instead of looking directly at a faint star, try looking slightly to the side. This will allow the more light-sensitive parts of your retina to detect the star. Use binoculars or a telescope. Even a small pair of binoculars can dramatically enhance your view of the night sky. Consult a star chart. A star chart or a mobile app can help you identify constellations, planets, and other celestial objects. By following these tips, you can unlock the secrets of the night sky and experience the universe in a whole new light. Section 7. Reclaiming the night, our cosmic connection. In an age of constant digital stimulation, it's easy to forget the awe-inspiring beauty and vastness of the universe above us. Reconnecting with the night sky is about more than just stargazing. It's about reclaiming our place in the cosmos. When we look up at the stars, we're reminded of our own insignificance in the grand scheme of things. We're humbled by the vastness of space and time, and we're filled with a sense of wonder and curiosity. It's a reminder that there's still so much out there to explore and understand. By reducing light pollution and making a conscious effort to appreciate the night sky, we can rediscover our connection to the universe and inspire future generations to do the same. The stars have always been a source of wonder and inspiration, and it's up to us to ensure that they continue to shine brightly for generations to come.